Hey everybody, it's Dr. Fish as the Masked Scientist. Guys, today I made the do-it-yourself Guns N' Roses toy. Guns N' Roses is a very famous band, and I made this for them, guys. For this, I took an old toy gun, basically from the 1950s. If you look inside, they didn't use orange. They used a little piece of cork to show you that the gun was fake, which this is a fake toy gun. It's worth about 50 to 70 bucks. And it's really cool. Basically, I hot glue gunned a red bike light on there, and this little rose right here comes off of basically the hearts you get for Valentine's Day. I just hot glue gunned it on and made the do-it-yourself Guns N' Roses toy. It's very cool, guys. Like I said, Guns N' Roses is an awesome band. They're worthy of praise, so I made the do-it-yourself Guns N' Roses toy for them. I really like this, man. I think it's really cool. Tell me that's not cool, guys. Do-it-yourself Guns N' Roses toy. I just picked this up and started thinking about Slash, because everybody understands the guns, but nobody understands the roses. Always be original, creative, and explosive. See things that other people don't see, and make cool stuff like this, man. Tell me this ain't cool. The do-it-yourself Guns N' Roses toy. I know if Slash and Axl Rose seen this, they would get a kick out of it. They would tell me, that's pretty cool, Dr. Fish. Hope you guys enjoyed this video of the do-it-yourself Guns N' Roses toy. Dr. Fish out.